We all know that yoga plays an important role in soothing the nervous system, relieving stress, and improving self-awareness. What you may be surprised to know is that practicing yoga also helps in preventing fractures and maintaining the health of your bones. When we age, it becomes more and more difficult to build protective bone mass. Thus, you should work on keeping your bones healthy and strong right now in order to avoid any further consequences. Not only this, but yoga may also help in reversing the bone loss. Today I will be showing you a couple of yoga poses that will help you improve your bone health. We will begin with Vrksasana or tree pose. This asana increases bone strength in the hips and the pelvis. Let's begin by standing tall in Tadasana or mountain pose. From here, you're just going to grab onto your right ankle like this. Place it on your left inner thigh and bring your hands to touch in Namaste or Anjali Mudra. Make sure that you're not tilting your pelvis and your hips are squared in one line. Maintain a straight and steady gaze, which will help you keep your balance. You can hold the posture for about 5 to 10 breaths and then repeat it on the other side. Don't practice this pose if you have high blood pressure or severe injuries in the pelvic, knee or hips. The next pose is Virabhadrasana variation 2, also known as warrior 2. Yoga poses such as this one improves the circulation and respiration in the body. Additionally, it improves your stamina and concentration. Virabhadrasana 2 stretches the chest, the inner thighs, and also the area around the groin. Let's get started with this posture by standing in Trikonasana or triangle pose. From here, you're just going to lift your torso upwards, bend into the front knee, and your arms come by the side at your shoulder height. Hold this posture for about 5 to 10 breaths, switching sides and doing the same thing with the other leg. As you exhale, make sure that you're pressing down not just the front foot but also the back foot, with the back leg completely straight and the front knee in line with the ankle. You can repeat this asana once again on each side. If you suffer from shoulder or knee pain, please avoid this asana. I would also not recommend this to people that are struggling with high blood pressure or spondylitis. Coming to our last pose of the day, Salabhasana or Locust pose. This pose is excellent for activating all the bones in the back region. This is the asana you don't want to miss if you're struggling with lower back pain. You can also improve your body posture by performing this asana regularly. Those with asthma should avoid the pose due to its tendency to put pressure on your chest and the abdomen. Let's begin with the pose. Lying facing down on the mat, arms by the side in the length of your torso. Very gently, let's lift the chest up, lift the arms, squeeze your glutes to lift your legs up as well, pressing into the hips. Try to stay in this posture for about 3 to 5 breaths, taking very short, shallow breaths, or if you can, holding your breath for the entire duration. This pose can be repeated 2 to 3 times. I hope these poses have been comfortable for you to practice and have inspired you a little more to start practicing yoga today. To learn more about yoga, keep following us and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.